Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Rational numbers, basic arithmetic operations. Now we see four basic arithmetic operations. First one is addition, second one is subtraction, third one is multiplication, and the fourth one is division. First one is addition. Add minus 6 by 11, comma 8 by 11, comma minus 12 by 11. We add these three fractions. Now we see we have same denominators 11. So the next step is by 11 numerator minus 6 plus 8 minus 12 equal to minus 6 and minus 12 equal to minus 18 plus this 8. Minus 18 plus 8 is minus 10 by 11. So we get the answer minus 10 by 11. Example 2, add minus 5 by 9, minus 4 by 3, comma 7 by 12. We take three rational numbers. Here we have different denominators 9, 3, 12. So we take LCM, least common multiple. LCM of 9, 3, 12 is 36. Now I take first rational number, first fraction, minus 5 by 9. 9 fours are 36. So multiply minus 5 by 9 into 4 by 4. We get minus 20 by 36, and minus 4 by 3 equal to into 12 by 12. 4 minus 4 8 12s are 48 and 3 12s are 36. Then 7 by 12, 12 3s are 36. So we multiply by 3 by 3. 7 3s are 21, 12 3s are 36. So we get 21 by 36. So when the மூணையும் same denominator இருக்கு, அதனால we add minus 20, minus 48 plus 21. We get minus 68 plus 21 by 36. The subtract பண்ணோம்னா minus 47 by 36. Number 2, subtraction. So next basic operation is subtraction. Subtract 9 by 17 from minus 12 by 17. From minus 12 by 17. So we take minus 12 by 17 as first one. முதல்ல எடுத்துக்கணும். Minus 9 by 17. We have same denominators. So put 17 here and directly put minus 12, then minus 9. So minus 12 minus 9, we get minus 21 by 17. The next example is subtract minus 2 into 6 by 11 from minus 4 into 5 by 22. From minus 4 by 4 into 5 by 22, அப்போ அதை முதல்ல அந்த ஃப்ராக்ஷனை முதல்ல என்ன செய்யணும் நம்ம எடுக்கணும். எடுத்த பிறகு பார்த்திங்கன்னா minus 4 into 5 by 22 minus of minus 26 by 11. Convert into single fraction. We get minus 4 22s are 88 plus 5 9 minus 93 by 22 minus of minus 2 into 11 22 plus 6 28. So minus 28 by 11. We get minus 93 by 22 plus 28 by 21. Here denominator is 22, here denominator is 11. This 11 is already in 22. So the LCM is 22 minus 93 into 1 plus 28 into 2. 22, we have denominator 22. 22 22 one time இருக்கு. So minus 93 into 1 plus here 11 denominator வந்து 11 இருக்கு. 22 வந்து 11ல 2 times இருக்கு. So 28 into 2 we get minus 93 into 1 minus 93 plus 28 2s are 56 by denominator 22. Add minus 93 plus 55, we get minus 37 by 22. Convert into mixed fraction. 22 ones are 22, remaining 15. So minus 1 into 15 by 22 is the answer. So third property is multiplication. Example 1, multiply minus 5 by 8 into 7 by 3. We take two fractions here. Minus 5 by 8 into 7 by 3 equal to minus 5 into 7, then 8 into 3. Minus 5 7s are 35, minus 35, and 8 3s are 24. Minus 35 24 is the answer. Example 2, multiply minus 6 by minus 11 into minus 4. First fraction is minus 6 by minus 11. Minus minus get cancelled. We get 6 by 11. Then the next fraction is into minus 4 by 11. 6 4s are 6 into minus 4, minus 24, and 11 into 1, 11. Minus 24 by 11 is the answer. Fourth property, division. Here we divide two fractions. Example 1, divide minus 21 by 5 by minus 7 by minus 10. Minus 21 by 5 divide minus 7 by minus 10. Here minus and minus get cancelled, we get 7 by 10. Minus 21 by 5 into this division change into multiplication, and we put this fraction into reverse. 10 by 11. 7 by 10 can be written as 10 by 7. So we get 7 ones are 7, 21 ones are 3 7s are 21, 5 ones are 5, 2 5s are 10. So we get minus 3 into 2, minus 3 into 2, minus 6. So we get minus 6. So far we have seen 4 operations: addition, subtraction, and third one is multiplication, and fourth one is division. 4 ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி பார்த்துருக்கோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் ரேஷனல் நம்பர்ஸ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் ரேஷனல் நம்பர்ஸ். First one is closure property. I take a comma b. Here let a comma b belongs to q. Q is rational numbers. Set of q is rational numbers. We have the operation a plus b comma a minus b, a multiply a into b, and a divide b. இந்த 4 ஆப்ரேஷன் எடுத்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். க்ளோசர் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. Example, I take number 3 and 7. So a plus b equal to 3 plus 7 equal to 10 belongs to q, rational numbers. A minus b equal to 3 minus 7 equal to minus 4 belongs to q. A into b equal to 3 into 7, 3 7s are 14 belongs to q. And finally a divide b equal to 3 by 7. Already we get here fraction also belongs to q. Here addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are the operations satisfy the closure property. So closure property is satisfy பண்ணிட்டு. Second one is commutative property. Let a comma b belongs to w. Here I take a plus b equal to b plus a. This is the addition commutative property. And a into b equal to b into a. Here plus and addition and multiplications are satisfy the operations satisfy the commutative property, whereas subtraction and division not satisfy the property. I take 3 minus 7 not equal to 7 minus 3, and 3 by 7 not equal to 7 by 3. So these two operations, subtraction and division, are not satisfy the commutative property. Addition and multiplication are satisfy the commutative property. I take 3 plus 7 equal to 7 plus 3. 3 plus 7 is 10, and also 7 plus 3 is 10. So we get equal values 10. And multiplication, 3 into 7 are 21, 7 into 3 are 21. So 3 into 7 equal to 7 into 3. So we get the same value number 21. So plus and addition and multiplication are the operations satisfy the commutative property. Third one is associative property. Associative property here we take three numbers a comma b and c. That a comma b and c belongs to q, rational numbers. The associative property is within brackets a plus b plus c equal to a plus, then we add b plus c. Multiplication a into b into c equal to a into b into c. Example, I take number 3, 7 and 5. Let 3, 7 and 5 belongs to q. Here the addition is a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. A is 3 and b is 7, 3 plus 7 plus 5 equal to a is 3, b is 7 and c is 5. 3 plus 7 plus 5. 3 plus 10 we add, we get 10 plus 5. Here 3 plus 7 plus 5 we get 12. So 10 plus 5 15 and 3 plus 12 also 15, we get the same value. With respect to multiplication, a into b into c equal to a into b into c. A is 3 and b into b is 7. So 3 into 7 into c is 5. Again 3 into 7 into 5. So 3 7s are 21 into 5 we get 105, and 3 into 7 3s are 35, 7 5s are 35, we get 105. So we get the same value. Here also addition and multiplications are the operations satisfy the associative property, whereas subtraction and division are not satisfy the associative property. இதோட நம்ம கிளாஸ் முடிச்சுக்கலாம். Thank you students.